Look at that face. He's so happy. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you want to see more from us, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's see, what do we have in here? Surprise! I have SD card, 128 gigabytes, Extreme Plus, and this is the first part of our couple multi-part package. Tomorrow we will be receiving the drone. This is the Fly More kit for the Mavic 2 Pro, and it comes with some extra batteries, which you see there, and some extra, I'm chasing the box, some extra drone wings for flight, batteries, a case, holding case. So this is pretty nice. And of course we need the SD card, Extreme Plus, 120 gigs, so we have lots of space to take lots of drone footage. Day 2, you can tell because he changed his clothes. We got our second box. Oh, that one opened a lot easier than the one yesterday. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Wow, this looks like a nice package. This one we had to sign for. They didn't drop it at the door. You know it's good. Look, Mavic 2 Pro with smart controller. Very, very important. We did a lot of research. This is a built-in, basically GPS kind of controller, smart controller. This is gonna be the better one. It's a couple $100 more, about $400 more than just the regular controller, but it makes a big difference. The regular controller, you have to actually use your phone, and you put your phone into the controller, so it's actually giving it 2 signals when you're controlling the drone, which sometimes you get flyaways, and we've heard about a lot of people losing their drone, where the drone literally just flies away. So that's why we upgraded for a couple $100 more. Worth it. Definitely get the smart controller. So give me a good view of that. Oh, there we are. Hi, I can see you. And that's what it looks like. They give you a nice big box. There's not much more in there, but we're excited. Let's check it out. So the Mavic 2 Pro it's gonna run you about, how much was it for the whole? We spent about almost $2,500 for the whole thing. That's including the kit that we got yesterday, the SD card, and this accessory kit. Mavic Pro. Wow, look at that beauty. Wow, it's crazy. I think that's a $2,000 piece of equipment right there in your hands. Setting up the little propellers, the wings. Make sure you subscribe so you can see this drone in action. We're going to be using a lot more really cool shots from this drone added to our videos. Now all the wings are on. That's what she looks like. Fully complete. Such a beaut, huh? So we decided to get this drone after a lot of research because it is going to be the best quality, but it's also very compact, so it's small. We travel a lot. We're going to be using a lot of this drone for traveling, and it's the best one, we believe, on the market for compact travel. Fit this easily in our suitcase or backpack, so. Make sure to follow our social media accounts where we'll be posting more content related to this YouTube channel.